Hello, my name is Lance Nill. I'm here today to show you the old way to install a glass rail shoe, and then I'm going to show you the NILLWAY to install a glass rail shoe. Here's how it goes. Now this is a liquid membrane that we put on top of this wood, so you can see a simulated version. Now, typically they would take some caulk, put it over the hole they're about to create with the lag screw they're going to use to fasten this down. This is the washer that goes underneath the shoe. Now typically, they would just fasten this right through the shoe. And anchor it down. Now, as they tighten that down, they're putting this under tremendous stress. Whether this is concrete or wood, the more you tighten it, the more stress you're under. Oh, wait a second. Let's say we had to raise this another 1/8 inch because we're at the wrong height. Now we have no choice but to back out that screw, remove it, add an additional washer, and now we're going to be tightening right back into the same hole. And we all know what happens when you go in and out of the same hole. It gets weaker and weaker. And that's the old way to do it. Now I'm going to show you the NILLWAY. The NILLWAY is, we have our patented NB1C. In this case, we have the ability to fasten it 6 times for the one connection. And there is no hole. This is a waterproof threaded port. There is no hole. Now we anchor this to the structure. In this case, we're going into that liquid membrane, like I said. And now we screw this down. See, what this does, it gives you the ability to do a clean, waterproof job. So I'm going to show you in a second. So here is, this very same bracket is in the liquid membrane. It's all waterproofed in. And now I can install my shoe, add the washer, install the shoe, and I bolt it down. No lags needed. And the opposite of the old way, the more I tighten this down, the more I am pushing on the flange. So there's no additional stress on the fasteners below. Oh, and now we want to add another washer because we want to go up a little higher. No problem. We can unattach all day long without compromising the structure. Add additional washers for shimming, no problem, and reattach and never weaken the structure. Nill Building Solutions for the entire building envelope.